Turning to scientific breakthroughs, and an Israeli high-tech firm has come up with an early detection device to prevent cervical cancer in women. Mobile OCT makes use of cell phones to bring the treatment to patients, as we see in this report from Ayelet Saban of Israel Up Close.
Every 2 minutes, a woman dies of cervical cancer. It is the leading cause of cancer death among women in developing countries. When Dr. David Levitt approached his childhood friend, startup entrepreneur Ariel Be'eri, with an idea to create a cost-effective cervical cancer screening device for smartphones, mobile OCT, a life-changing as well as life-saving Israeli startup, was soon underway.
The second that you can enable people to access advanced medical care on their phone anywhere, you change the world. Because 5 billion people have access to mobile phones, but few of those have access to a physician, especially when they need that physician most. And so if you can enable people to save lives just with their phone, the game changes. All of a sudden, healthcare is accessible to all. All of a sudden, people who died before their time can live out their lives. And all of a sudden, you also create business models for local people who can act as those points of care.
If cervical cancer is caught in its early stages, it can be treated for less than $28, saving the lives of 250,000 women annually. The application, which can be pulled up on any smartphone when attached to a supplied lens, handle and light, can easily capture images of the cervix. The device is compact, mobile, and user-friendly.
Health workers in Africa can take these images, they go into the cell phone, they get beamed up to our server. A well-trained colposcopist can look at the image and send information back to the clinician, hopefully in real time, whether they should treat the woman or not treat the woman.
After creating a workable prototype, Mobile OCT released 5 devices which are successfully working in the field in Haiti, Kenya, Botswana, Mexico, and the United States. Another 42 will go out by year's end. The product is constantly being improved and updated.
Our strategy has been to produce what we call a minimal viable product, that is the simplest thing that can get out there and start saving lives, and to do that quickly.
The grand vision of Mobile OCT is to move on to creating similar devices for other cancers that are difficult to check but can be diagnosed at a distance if the right technologies are brought to bear.
One of the things that Mobile OCT is aware of and dedicated to is understanding that the state of Israel can be a platform for world-changing behavior. So on the very basis of tikkun olam, of fixing the world, which is deeply within our value set, that's what motivates us, and that's why we do what we do.
This is Ayelet Saban reporting for Israel Up Close.
In other international